Hello friends, see what type of animation I did today. This is a menu animation which we are going to learn today in PowerPoint. So let's get started. First of all, I have selected this new design, a complete new slides, a set of new slides, and here I have pasted the template colors, the matching colors for each slide which I am going to use. Now secondly, I am going to create a rectangle which should be long enough as we will be requiring it to move around the slides. Here I am going to paste all the icons required from my previous slide menu. You can download any type of icons you would be requiring. So by controlling the shift key and pressing on the icons, I'm going to select all the icons from top and I will paste them here. I'm going to delete and select this. And since this icon was not colored, I'm going to select solid fill, and while here I'm going to put it this color. The background color of this rectangle would be lighter, as you can see here, and there would be no outline. Again, I'm going to drag it here. Okay. Again, I'm going to copy all the same icons from my previous slides to make work much faster and easier, so that I can show you how we have created these slides. Control C, I'm doing Control C, and now here I will paste Control V. Here I'm going to drag this down, and again I'm going to press by pressing the shift key. I'm going to select all the items. I'm going to arrange them horizontally, align them horizontally, distribute horizontally, and again I'm going to distribute them vertically, all the icons. So you can see this is our first slide, and for each icon I have to link the slides. This is the second item. This is the second item, and I'm going to link this second item with the second slide. In the Insert tab, I'm going to click on Links, and then I will click on Slide 2. Again, by clicking on the links, Insert Link, go to Insert Link and click on third slide. So this is the third icon, and this is the fourth icon. I'm going to click links and insert with the fourth slide, and this is the fifth icon. I will link it with the fifth slide. Okay, now all these icons should be in front, and bring them to front, right click. They are already in front, or I am doing this deliberately, and going to put this at the back. Now you can see these icons are here, and when I click on this icon should be linked to the first slide. I'm going to link it with the first slide here. Okay, now I'm going to work on the first slide, this middle icon, this icon. It is going to be like this. Let me zoom out a bit. You can see now this icon is here. The theory behind this creation is this, that all the active links I am going to decolorize. Decolorize means I'm going to put no fill inside for the current slide and the current link. Here this is the first slide and I'm going to set it with no color. And again here I'm going to select one shape, insert one shape, and that is triangle shape. Like you can see, I've selected this triangle shape and I'm going to draw a triangle like this. Bring it to center and then flip it. I'm going to flip this shape by going on the home tab. I'm going to select rotate and flip horizontal. Now you can see this is on the front, so I will bring this to front. Okay, now this icon is on the front. I'm going to bring it in the middle center, and here, yes, you can see this here that this slide is circular. I'm going to flip it here like this. Okay, now by clicking this is the rectangle on which we have to subtract this middle one. So first clicking on the middle, pressing the shift key, select the triangle. Sorry, first select this rectangle, then shift key and then triangle, and select the triangle. Now these two shapes are selected. I'm going to go on the merge shapes and do subtract. See, now this is the portion which we have subtracted. If I'm going to subtract the select the triangle first and then I'm going to select the rectangle, it will subtract the whole portion. I have to subtract this portion, so first we have to select the rectangle and then the triangle. Now I'm going to again select this rectangle, and by clicking or right clicking, I'm going to select and edit points. Now edit points, I'm going to click here. Click here, and by pressing the shift, you can see that these 2 points are enabled. So now by pressing the shift key, I'm going to select this handle and drag it. You can see it is now circular shape. I am going to put it here. Again, I'm going to select, click on this point and then drag this handle a bit to make it slightly round shape. So you can see I've made it a slight round shape. Again, I'm going to click this one and make it a slighter round shape. So here you can see this is a round shape, and now this is the portion which I think. Again, I'm going to click edit points. So now I have selected this portion. You can see I have this first slide, and now again I'm going to zoom in a bit and select all these elements from this slide by selecting Control A, and have selected this whole slide. Control C, I'm going to do Control C, and then on the next slide I'm going to paste it. Now here is this first second slide, and this portion, this icon would be be solid fill, and the color would be light blue as it was, and this icon is going down here, while this icon is going to come up in the center here, and this slide is going to move to the right so that it can show this is the active slide, and we are going to select this icon with no color. Again, I'm going to select all these items, Control A, Control C, and I'm going to paste them here on my third slide. You can see that. Here I'm going to again color it with solid color, light blue. Put this back here. Bring this on top. This one, the third icon, no color fill. I'm going to drag this, yeah, so that this is going to be the third one. And this is the way we are going to make them. And I'm going to select all these slides. First of all, I'm going to select Control A all the slides and make the transitions to be morph and morph after morph, which are going to be of 0.5 seconds. So now we are going to do this, the third slide, and then for the fourth slide I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do the same thing with this back, bring solid fill to this one, make it colored and do it here. Again, you can see this icon would be decolorized with no color, and this portion would be dragged here. So you can see here, since my rectangle part is becoming shorter here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert another small rectangular shape so that it covers this portion, and I will send that to back. You can see I'm going to do this to cover this is a mistake which I've done. You should make the rectangle a bit too longer. So here is the color. Which color I'm going to select? It will be this one, and there would be no line, no line, and this would be sent to the what is the result. See, you can see how these icons are working perfectly. Again, for here you can see the icons are perfectly showing. In fact, in this first slide there is a bit of slice with a rectangular slice, just because we have hidden this. So you've got the point how we are making this. So hopefully you liked it. You can insert any of the elements or slides as you wish. Copy all the slide elements from our previous slides and then paste it there, and it will show you how my presentation is looking. See, after inserting all the slides, the headings, the icons, whichever you want, you can make this slide look much better. Hopefully you understand this and hopefully you liked it. Thank you for watching our video.